Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a favicon to your Google Sites website. Yeah, it's super simple, and it really makes your site look more professional. First, log into your Google account and open Google Sites. Pick the site where you want to add a favicon, the little icon that shows up in the browser tab. Next, click on the Settings gear icon at the top right corner of the site editor. This will open all your site options in one place. Now, in the Settings panel, find and click on Branding. Under Branding, you'll see the option to upload a favicon. Yeah, that's where the magic happens. Click Upload and choose your favicon image from your computer. Make sure it's a square image, usually 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels, so it looks crisp. Finally, click Done, and then hit Publish to make your changes live. Refresh your site in a new tab, and you'll see your new favicon in the Browser tab. Pretty neat, right? And that's it. Adding a favicon is really quick, and it just makes your Google site look way more professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and, yeah, subscribe for more quick tutorials.